Hey everybody, it's Adam. Hang on for core words! Cause it's core word time. It's core word time. It's core word time. Boys and girls, it's core word time. Boom! It's time for a core word. And today, the word is over. Because over means something is above your head. And so I just wanted to talk about that. Petri! How are you, buddy? Actually, you are flying on your own today, and you are over my head. How are you doing today?
Oh, I'm just fine, just doing what birds do, flying upside down, just doing that type of thing.
Did you know the word today? Hold on, up here is over. Did you know that?
Of course I did, that's why I just dropped by. Ah.
Well, it is, and I'm really glad you're here. Thanks a lot for being here. I didn't know you could fly on your own. You're pretty amazing.
Well, of course I did. I'm so over being helped with something like that.
All right. Well, guess what? Today, the word is over. You can look for things that are above your head or over your head. Lights, the ceiling, a roof, or sometimes even stuff on top of the refrigerator. It is over your head. Petri, thanks for dropping by. You did a great job today with the word over.